I'm a Chevy man. There is no other car.
You excited?
I'm ready.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my. Holy. 1968 Chevy Camaro, 327, 275 horse. Came from Sauter Chevrolet in Mannheim when they got out of the service in 1967. I'm a Chevy man. There is no other car. I had a buddy that worked at Sauter Chevrolet. He said, come on down and talk to Mr. Sauter. So I went down and they had one sitting in the window and I looked it over and I really liked it. So we went in and I ordered one. I just wanted a red one. I like red. Bought the traction rear end, 4-speed, the special dash instruments on the console. Started out at 2,800, and when I was done it was 39.
A lot of money back then.
Yes, it was, yeah. It was my first new one, so I wanted what I wanted. No matter what it cost, I was gonna pay for it.
What were your first memories of it when you saw it?
Oh, I fell in love with it right away. I was really excited because waiting 6 weeks for it seemed an awful long time, and I was ready for it. Very little trouble with that car. I mean, it's a good, faithful car. Yep. Her name was Bonda Meinhardt. We met at the Trop right outside of E-Town. It was the local hangout. Then when I went into service, she kept writing to me and let me know what was going on back home. And then when I got out, we started dating each other. And we dated for a year and a half and got married April the 12th, 1969. On our honeymoon in this car to Florida, and then our daughter is adopted. When we adopted her, this is the car she came home in, and of course there was no seatbelt laws or baby seats and that kind of stuff, so my wife held her in the front seat, and it was very special. And as she grew up, then these booster seats and stuff came into effect, and we had to put her in the back seat. Going to church, we dressed her up, and she had a nice dress on and black patent leather shoes, and she used to sit back here and swing her feet and kick the back of my seat and put nice little black marks in the back of my seat, and she was really proud of that. She put them there. So when this car's all done and I pass away, well, it goes to her as a memory. For the last 30 years, it lived in my garage. Engine froze up and cracked the block at 2 different places, so I had to put another motor in it, but it wasn't running right, so I just didn't have the money to get the engine worked on. So she got sick in 1st of August and passed away December 14th, same year. So I decided that the money's not going to do me any good after I die. I might as well use it now and make a memory for my daughter. When my wife was feeling ill, so, she said, go ahead and do it. So I would like to have had a ride in it yet, but it just didn't happen. I'm really excited because I know you guys do awesome work, and I just can't wait to see it. To tell you the truth, I really miss it. I go out there in the garage, and the garage is empty, and it belongs in there. It's just, yeah, I really miss it. It's truly special.
This is a process that started, what, 3 years ago?
About that, yeah.
About that?
Yep.
All right. Well, what do you think? You excited?
I'm ready.
You ready?
Yes, sir.
What about you?
Oh, I've been ready.
You've been ready. All right. Well, this is probably one of the most involved unveilings that we've ever done. So, Dave, you want to grab that handle?
Cool.
All right. You want to count them down? Sure. 3. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead.
Oh, my. Holy. Never thought I'd see it look like that again. Holy smokes. Oh, man. Isn't that cool?
Beautiful.
Man, like I was just buying it.
No, that's you.
Oh, my.
That's all you.
Oh, this is beyond words. This is unreal.
She's all yours.
Oh, I just don't know what to say. You should be proud.
I am. This is so cool.
So now.
First stop is my buddy's house. We've been through a lot together, and never thought I'd see it this way again. Oh, beautiful. Oh man, this feels good.
I absolutely love it. She sounds like a muscle car should. These aren't meant to be quiet. They're meant to have a voice. Was his dream to have it redone, and I'm extremely happy for him.
It's a thing of the past, and it's something really valuable, and believe me, life is short. Don't wait. Now's the day. Enjoy it while you can.